This is the easiest ribbon bow tutorial you'll find on the internet. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to Learn Beadcraft, and today we are making these pretty ribbon bows. Yeah, so this is what you are going to be using: our sateen, and then our scissors, as well as this tape measure is very optional, because without the tape measure you can simply cut out your desired length. Okay, so we are starting. Please watch carefully. So you are wrapping it on your finger, that finger, 3 times. Okay, and then you stretch your thumb. Then you do the same thing I am doing. Please watch it carefully. Okay, you do the same thing I am doing. You are going round 2 times, and this is the third one. You won't go, you do this, then you put it here. Make sure it goes down there. Then you are going to pick this side, and then insert it here. This is it. Please watch carefully, don't rush, pull it gently. Okay, gently, and our bow is done. It's done. Please don't rush at this point, because I know that out of excitement you would want to pull it harder. Please pull it gently. Okay, do the same thing, just adjust it a little, and we are good to go. After adjusting it, make sure you are doing this scale I am doing, just so you cut the tip. So you just measure your desired length, and then you just cut it out. This one I am cutting it straight. After that, we are going to be doing another one. So if you didn't get it this time, you are going to do this one. Okay, we are going to make this one too. So let's make this one. You are going to cut your sateen again, wrap it around this finger 3 times. Then you're going to stretch your thumb like this, and then do the same scale I am doing. 2. So this is the second one. I said we are not going to do a third one, so you are going to pick it like this, hold here, put it inside there, and then pull it back. Please watch carefully, pick this side and pass it through this point. Then you are good to go. Pull it gently, okay, but make sure it is tight. And then this side, please pull it out gently, like I am doing. Yes. So our bow has formed, and yeah, this is it. You're just going to do a little adjustment, and then you're going to pick both ends together like this, and we are going to cut. This is where we are going to style it the way we want. So this one, I want to give it a slant, so this is it. We are done. It is very, very easy. I told you you can make it. You see, this is the easiest you've seen on the internet, right? Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Please, if you would want to see more of these tutorials, please again subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime we post you would be notified. Okay, thank you so much, and please do well to check our other videos on this channel, because they are all very beginner friendly and you can do it. Okay, thank you so much. See you in our next exciting and insightful video. Yeah, thank you.